Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Cheers.
We're getting drunk today.
Cheers.
I guess.
It's been a while, huh?
It has. Yeah.
It's been like 3 days.
Whoa. Krishna, bus.
Bye.
Okay, cool. Do you realize the people who are wearing earphones are going to get fucked because of that?
It's okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. We're back. Back for another Untriggered episode. I'm psyched.
You're hosting this one.
No, you host. Sorry. I got excited.
शराब के नशे में.
आदमी कुछ भी बोल देता है.
हाँ भाई. Good thing this is coffee.
अभी क्या छुपा रहा है भाई?
Cheers बस बोलनी है भाई. कॉफी का cheers कर देंगे हम लोग का.
But it's been a while since we've done this.
Yeah. Quite a... More than a year, na? That we've had alcohol on the...
Podcast? नहीं, we've had बीच में. But the four of us.
Hmm.
The four of us are also coming together after a while, I think.
Yeah.
So
More than a month.
It's gonna be a good one, bro. There's this crazy debate going on. So I think we can start with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think 100 unarmed men would be able to take on one silverback gorilla?
Have you guys been following that on Twitter?
I've been seeing, not on Twitter, on Instagram it's also coming, but I don't think there's much of a debate here actually.
Okay.
I feel like...
Late on us.
I think one thing that we would need to understand before is how skilled are these unarmed?
Average, like 100 people from the street. Someone might be a
And I
black belt,
think
someone might be a...
They're all men.
Nothing.
There's no women
Yeah.
and children.
I think they would beat the
Only
gorilla.
men.
Okay.
I think they would beat the gorilla. I think if we devised a plan to surround the gorilla and certain people attack it when it's occupied and I think that
Kick it in the nuts.
I would like to debate you on this. I don't think 100 men are taking on one
No?
gorilla.
They cannot. Imagine the first guy who goes. That gorilla will rip
the
his head
thing.
apart.
That is like if we are assuming they have average IQ, so they'll all go at once. But my problem is I don't see what they could do to the gorilla.
Exactly.
Like क्या कर सकते हैं उसका?
What they can do, so they can't have weapons and stuff.
No, unarmed fully.
Can they make stuff?
No, nothing.
They're just
Hatapai.
Gorillas
Hatapai.
also bear.
they probably have to go full primal and just start beating the gorilla.
Arey, you go.
You realize how fucking strong that primal guy is?
I'm sure the gorilla would rip
Beating
every-
matlab how? Like punching it?
Yeah, punch, kick.
But
they
one
pick up
punch-
a rock, throw it at it.
No,
Like-
nothing.
No, he's saying
It's clean.
no.
Ek second. Now
It's
it's
clean.
becoming too hypothetical.
Are-
There has to
Why?
be some sense.
No,
No,
no.
You're fighting it somewhere.
But this is the debate.
What?
It's not probably never going to
Okay,
happen.
where are you fighting the gorilla?
Chal, in a ring, UFC ring, big enough to host
The 100 men will win.
100
How,
people.
but-
How? What is wrong with you?
I could see like 50, while it's killing 4 people, I can see like 10 people on its back trying to choke it out.
But
And you think you
come
can
on,
choke
you're
out
not-
a silverback gorilla?
I think 20 men can.
But
But
you
how
need
are they
one
gonna-
arm
How?
which is
You need
big
one
enough,
arm
na?
to choke him, no?
Yeah, so there'll be many people going.
उतने में
and
उसको
choking.
काट के उसको
भाई
फाड़
वो
देगा.
ऐसा करके फेंक देगा. He'll throw them off like
नहीं,
ants.
see I think if
Gorilla can feel
there's a
fatigue also.
chance, at least 80 men will die. Like,
No, yeah.
Trying to do this.
Most of these men are dying. Let's
Nahin,
make that clear.
that's obvious. My only thing with this is how will they take the gorilla down eventually? Because a punch to the skull of that gorilla, your arm's broken.
But 100
Exactly.
men punching it multiple
So
times.
100 men breaking their arm, no?
नहीं, अगर उसके लंड पे लात डालते हैं.
लंड किधर है भाई उसका?
गोरिल्ला को लंड नहीं है. ये क्या? Gorillas don't have cocks.
It's a
अरे, but
female
you-
gorilla.
Female gorilla will win.
So put your thumb in her ass.
It'll start having fun then.
He'll be like, no, but
become friends.
20 people will put.
At the same time.
एक second. If it's a female gorilla, let her win. It's
Yeah,
fine.
man. She's
Debate is
cute.
over.
Silverback female gorillas.
What if it's a male? तू क्या ही कर सकता है? तू गोटे दबाएगा भाई. That
I'll do the
gorilla
Paul
will-
Heyman
हाँ,
on him,
गोटे
dude.
दबा.
Go muscle the nuts. और मैं नहीं हूँ ये सोलो में.
By the time the men decide who's going to grab his nuts,
He's already whacked.
he would have like killed half of them.
ए तू जा रहे ने तू जा.
Yeah.
Because in that situation also some men, अरे मैं कैसे?
Maybe like it's so gay to hold his balls.
Yeah, but there's probably like 30 gays in that 100. I'm sure.
And you're sending them to
you're
fight.
saying
3 out of 10 men are.
Hey, gays can fight.
you're
Huh?
saying 30% of males are gay.
Gay. I swear.
See, I don't.
This is the
I'm
other
not-
debate now we will have. Let's close the gorilla debate first.
Okay. नहीं, but तू वैसे सोचेगा तो this also may be true. But let's get back to this later.
100 gay men versus one gorilla.
then all my money is on the
Then
gorilla.
the gorilla will be scandalized, bro, and he'll leave himself.
I feel like the gorilla.
What has humanity come to?
He's like, this is peak evolution. I'm good here.
मेरे को आगे नहीं बढ़ना है.
The primate is saying.
He's stuck. He's gonna be stuck in that phase.
I'm good.
No, I feel like the gay army would be so docile that the gorilla would fall in love with them and it would be fine.
Yeah.
That's how I think that would play out.
What
But
do we
yeah,
think?
maybe-
What do we think, referee?
Referee.
The
No, man.
journey from coming from apes to coming in front of apes has been a long one.
Isn't that how AIDS started? Someone fucked a monkey.
That's how 8 started?
Yeah. Wait.
How do you know this?
It's written here.
That's
बहुत साल हो गए भाई उसको AIDS को.
Scriptures.
it's written.
Someone documented it.
वो क्लासमेट के नोटबुक के पीछे लिखा है.
Oh, those facts that they have.
Someone once fucked a monkey.
How did
To
AIDS
start HIV.
kind of sick person did that.
yeah. Yeah, some demented.
There are
guy.
like even on porn there used to be all these wild
Hold on.
like back in the day.
What do you mean by wild?
Like bestiality and all used to be there, right? Horses being
What? What sites were you on?
the regular ones. I don't
Regular
I
ones.
Regular
Pornhub
ones.
used to have
Fuck
good
the
ones.
horse.com.
Pornhub.
Horse joke.
I'm not actually very aware of different porn sites.
Just a regular dude fucking
I know
horse.
you guys knew what porn site you had to search for, what? When you were searching. I
Nahin.
never knew.
First time you searched?
What?
Like first time you were searching for stuff like that?
Oh fuck! It was. I didn't even know what the concept
Fuck
of
a
porn
horse.
was. No. I didn't. I was not fucking him.
Horse sex.
Yeah, no. I didn't look for it. It was a part of the catalog of the platform that I found.
Catalog.
And, yeah, I'm like a
Motherfucker's writing a research paper on his
He's
porn
consumer.
experience.
He's the Rajiv Masan of adult content.
Of the porn.
Bro, but
He's a porn connoisseur.
this
Connoisseur.
Connoisseur.
this has brought something up in my head. You guys have seen this Ullu shit or what?
Ullu.
Oh yeah.
Ullu app.
No.
There's an app called Ullu.
What is
It's
it
like
for?
it's like they just have very raunchy sexual like Indian soft porn type like Altwalaji,
Huh.
but this is like next level.
Ullu.
Ullu.com or just Ullu app.
Ullu.
Ullu app, sorry.
Okay.
This episode is not sponsored by Ullu, even though it sounds like it. But yeah.
Subtle plug.
और
kind of
उसमें they
content?
have like reality shows and all. तो उसमें we were just
We
seeing
just
one
saw a
clip.
video.
I should just show it to you guys. There's this one dude and he's asking one girl, how many positions do you know? Sex positions.
Ejaz Khan guy.
Yeah.
I saw it.
I was like, I know this guy. I couldn't remember his name.
Bro, who's that?
Bro, he was on Big Boss. He had
Imran
like
Khan was on Big Boss.
a bunch of
and-
fights.
Yeah. So that season of Big Boss went. The winner of that season of Big Boss was a
Arman-
woman called Gauhar Khan.
Gauhar Khan,
And
yeah,
she fell in love with one dude on that show. And Ejaz also fell in love with Gauhar. So then uska beef tha usme.
Oh, okay.
But Ejaz was like being his friend and all during the show.
Oh,
And then after he got eliminated, he like turned his back on him and he started hitting on Gauhar and all. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, the whole thing was really fun. But this video I just came across, dude, it's absurd.
हाँ भाई.
He's asking some girl, how many positions do you know? It's like, I know the normal 3-4.
He's like, मुझे इतना ये पता नहीं.
And then
मैं-
she goes, oh, okay.
No, he asked
Two-
her. First, he asked her name the position. She goes, oh, dog,
up down.
up down.
Up, down.
बस उतना ही आता
That
है.
was up down.
Who the fuck?
Hey,
I'm
we're not
guessing.
gonna get into all of that. तू तो horse porn देखता है वैसे.
मैं नहीं देखता हूँ यार.
That's why he's confused with what is up down.
So then he asks another dude, he's like, okay, show her like more positions.
Yeah.
And he picks her up.
No, he
No.
gets two girls.
Yeah, he gets one girl to choreograph and one guy and one
Oh,
girl.
intimacy
He's,
coordinator.
he's like, you show now, tell them what to do. And then she's like, put his leg on your shoulder and pick her up. And he does it. Like, they do
Yeah.
the position. And I was like, fuck her now. Fuck her up.
Yeah.
The crowd say, fuck her.
And then
And they're
fuck
like,
her up, fuck her up. And this guy goes, he's like barely holding on to her.
And then Ejaz is like, wow, badhiya, badhiya. And like, this is a segment in the show.
This is on.
How is Latent
An
getting
app.
banned, but this nonsense is getting...
Yeah, man.
This is educating people, bro. What
What
do
is
you say?
this educating?
You're in support of this kind of content?
Of course. It's educating the people on how to fuck her up. He's like, put leg on shoulder. This
To
guy
be
like,
fair, our actual...
He used to bend down to put her leg.
I hope the women are doing this consensually.
I hope they're getting paid also for it. All the
yeah,
contestants.
way to look out for the women who are being exploited here.
I
on
hope
this
they
show.
get paid.
Last I checked, they went ऐसा खुद से choosing.
The show.
Yeah, bro.
I feel bad.
Ullu,
I feel
or
bad
it's a
for
South
these
Indian
guys.
thing.
No.
No. What the
They
fuck?
really-
I don't know.
Why?
Ullu is, I feel like it's used. Okay, maybe. I don't know.
Ullu.
Ullu is owl.
Yeah.
Yeah. That shit is foul. Wait, क्या है भाई वो? मतलब,
That's-
and that's just flying. I think, like, and the government also is aware. Like, they know that.
Yeah, I would like to bring this to their attention even further now.
They'll go and watch the videos.
I don't watch, but like content in across the spectrum, I think is becoming more and more raunchy, dude.
I
Hey,
even
you
think
just
that-
can't say shit like this. You can show. I think that's okay with
I
our
think
people.
as long I think everyone collectively, whoever is in charge of all of this, I don't know who the people are. They've probably taken a stand कि soft porn, we'll let it go. Like
Yeah,
let that go. Like let that be a thing.
हाँ.
Because the money, bro, these apps make is insane. So I'm sure cuts इधर उधर भी जा रहे हैं लोगों को. So it might be like some crazy.
Yeah.
They're
No,
just
but
like, हाँ, let this happen. It's fine.
Like I've been noticing platforms like even Hungama. तुम लोग को हंगामा का ad अभी आने लगे? Hungama.
What is Hungama?
It's another OTT.
I thought it was
where
a
it had
kids
like
cartoon
Yeah,
channel.
I
अभी-
thought it was a music app.
They
Yeah.
they have
Hungama?
हाँ अभी there's a viewing app also OTT app where there's a show that's come with another Big Boss contestant Tina Datta.
She was cute.
She was cute. She
I
was-
don't remember.
So she's going to the gym, and her personal trainer she's hired, and he's a very handsome man, and they have an affair.
Expected, yeah.
And
It's a show, fictional.
it's a show,
Huh.
and he starts blackmailing her to so that she can invest into his business or whatever he's planning. And then she's like, "Fuck you! I'll start dating this other personal trainer." So she gets a new personal trainer and starts doing whatever with him. Then that's how the show. This is all in the trailer of the show, and it's very, very
How do you-
erotic and very sensual. And so, what? Why are you touching my leg?
You go say एक हाथ नीचे जा रहा
I'm
है.
getting turned on. Both my hands are here.
Stand up.
No.
But yeah, I do feel like even on Netflix and even all the big guys, there's a lot of sexual. I think sex is very normalized. Sex has become very normal now online.
Nice sex.
Being
Yeah.
normalized is fine, bro.
Exactly.
But Ulta, I have this take about this that even in Bahar ke films, like sometimes sex scenes are just put for no reason.
Yeah.
Like,
agree.
I get it if you're trying to show intimacy and all. Some places it's needed. कि It's very pivotal to the story. But if you show them sleeping and waking up, also they had sex only, na? और
Yeah.
क्या like नंगे उठ रहे हैं एक तो.
Yeah.
तो क्या वहाँ पे they haven't been playing like hand cricket under the sheets.
Bas. Do you know how much that was?
पानी नहीं है भाई वो.
फिसल गया भाई आज
It's
से.
not much.
It's not that
It's not
much.
much.
Sorry.
Strategic timeout. I said this is a review.
Oh, sorry.
That's Tiffy time.
Where is the? I think all of this should be kept in the episode to show how chaotic this is. Prashant is just calling everyone an alcoholic. It's like 15 minutes bhi nahi hua and all are taking time out.
But yeah, bro. But on the other hand, there's people doing some cool shit also. I came across this creator called Suku, being Suku, on Instagram, and she's
Okay.
made like this whole show on her reels, episode 1, episode 2.
Oh,
episode.
nice.
Properly shot, cinematic. It looks like an OTT show only, but it's just vertical. Like I think 15 to a few episodes. I started watching. Like एक मेरे feed पे आया, and then I went on her profile and binged the whole thing.
Nice.
And it's like a thriller.
Oh, how long is one?
It's like a minute.
A minute long. Even,
Okay.
dude, I found a reel, some like local chap in a village. He started making.
Vijay 3 guy.
No. So I don't remember what the name of the handle is, but in that reel that I saw that blew up, he's chilling at home and his maid comes, and his maid finds him very attractive, and his wife goes to work.
Okay, you're talking about something else. We're talking about
No, I know we're talking about something else, but what I was
But
getting
this
at,
is short like reels, like the skits.
but they're all linked. they're all
हाँ, वो
like
तो-
they end.
But what you're talking about is very different.
वो बहुत
I know it's a different things to be.
बहुत टाइम से
dog.
चल रहा है, but वो it's not a new thing.
What?
Yeah,
They
this.
started at TikTok only. Like
Oh, yeah?
people used to do it. But ये call it,
Sequential skits.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ, they do it and like very trivial situations like Bhabhi and
It ends
Yeah,
at a
the maid-
cliffhanger and it
the
says
maid
part
comes.
1. Then you go to part
some of them are sci-fi also. Like there's a witch and they have their whole universe that they've made. गाँव में बनाते हैं लोग and that's very cool actually.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the reason like TikTok blew up also because everyone was on it from like tier 1 to tier 3, 4 even like places that you didn't know existed. Suddenly you're seeing content coming from there. But the Suku thing is like proper.
Okay.
Like as if it's like on Netflix. वैसा-
okay.
वैसा
Well
quality का.
produced,
हाँ,
well
proper.
scripted. Nice.
And I found it damn cool. I
Yeah,
think that's
I'll
gonna
check.
be like the
Check him out.
future now.
Nice, bro. Yeah, for sure. Because people don't. I mean, are people watching Netflix and all as often as they used to?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Everything they're watching. OTTs are तो
OTTs are booming, right?
Yeah.
I mean, theater का canning की वजह से तो OTT अभी
Theater, bro. That's like the movie scene has become so
Dead.
dead, but it's good in a way that if a film comes and it's good, people will go and watch it. ऐसा हो गया.
We
Like,
watched a very good film.
We watched Sinners.
Sinners was in the theater.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still there, and bro, it's insane. Like one of the films you watch and you're like, हाँ, like Oscar conversation में तो they're gonna be there for sure.
Right.
We were watching and Yugo and I were just like the whole time we would look at each other, be like, what the fuck just happened? What was that? Too good. Like I can't even say much about it. You just have to go and watch it.
Okay.
Yeah, don't give any spoilers.
कौन है उसमें?
Michael B. Jordan.
Michael.
Okay.
Haley Steinfeld also.
I've only seen that one clip in which she's like, "You fucked me raw,"
Uh,
and some shit like that, and everyone's
course.
Watch
like
all these
losing
things
it.
only.
of
That's
course.
all that came on
इतना
my.
बढ़िया picture बनाया हुआ है वो लोगों ने पूरा मेहनत डाल के.
हाँ ना.
Put your finger in my bum. That was it. That I
What?
saw.
There's
the dialogue,
watch
no?
some other
Inventing
thing.
Oh, then
dialogues.
I'm seeing something else.
Yeah.
You were watching the wrong cinema.
I was
Winners.
watching this show called You. Have you guys watched it?
Oh man, how is that shit still alive?
I've
Dude,
seen
the
two
final
seasons.
season came.
This is the final season, no?
Creepy dude who kills women.
He wears a cap and he becomes invisible. That's insane.
I've not seen a single
I only watched the
episode.
first two
तो है,
seasons.
मतलब
Dude,
fun-
it's good.
Fun है,
It's
fun.
good.
First two seasons were good and then it just became
No, it's
prolonged.
it's overly dramatic on purpose.
Yeah, of course.
And it's like a Indian soap, like the way they've dramatized it. And to some extent, like if you watch this final season, you start realizing why it even is like that, because this guy is full on,
Yeah.
like he's fully crazy.
Does he at least get caught finally?
Now should I don't want to
Okay, don't
reveal it
spoil
for
it.
people since it's just come, but I find it to be a very entertaining show, and it was a nice ending the way they ended it. The kind of subjects that they covered on the show, like highlighted in terms of the power of the internet and how people can use it, how it gets used in situations like this, and they even like dived into. I was having a conversation with Ali recently, where we were talking about how there was this woman I was chatting with, and she said something that made me feel very uncomfortable.
Oh.
Like she asked me to do something that made me feel extreme, and I was like, whoa, okay, I
What,
know,
just-
out.
Take care of me properly or something.
So she says
Love me
something.
right.
She says,
Whip it out.
whip it out. No,
Whip it out for the
It was
paps.
no. It was really, really bad, bro. It was really ugly.
Can't be that bad.
I'll tell you all off. I don't want to say it on camera, but
It's
I
that
don't
bad.
know.
it's very bad.
Is it that long message?
No, long. No,
Was it that video?
नहीं ठीक है.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Either way,
तो फिर
so I was a little
you just wanted to put it out there.
traumatized by this, and no.
लड़कियां मेरे से बात कर रही हैं.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है.
Traumatized.
लड़कियां मेरे से हमेशा बात कर रही है.
Oh.
Mr. Big Cock here.
Either no. Give me some soda यार.
Soda.
मेरे को नींबू भी देना. Either way, what I was getting at is that there is a darkness to intimacy that exists in the world right now.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Like people wanting to get slapped, people want to get spat on, people wanting to get whatever. And इसको मजा आता है ये सब. एक गंदा आदमी को.
Tuvi likes getting slapped.
I don't like getting
So he's fucking
So we start
giving his
rubbing
girl
himself
one.
after you.
He means, hey, how are you? Do that. Fuck. This is how he thinks. Either way, I thought that was very new and fresh and an interesting perspective that they covered on the show. So guys, watch it. It's cool.
Okay.
Oh, we.
Okay. Okay.
Bro, एक और चीज, like some crazy rumor is going around that Shah Rukh Khan is joining the MCU. Like he's gonna have a
Unrelated to all this
Yeah.
dark sexual. Yeah, I heard that. That's fucking
He's gonna be
insane.
in the next Avengers or something.
Crazy.
Avengers.
That
Like he'll
will,
play a role
that will, I think, certify him as the GOAT.
if he's in the Avengers.
If he's in the
It's like I don't fuck with the Avengers that
Yeah,
much,
even
but
I
it's
don't.
Then
hard.
I'll watch that movie.
It's hard.
I do
see
fuck
what
with
he
the
does.
Avengers, and I read up about this thoda while coming.
Is it real?
It's
Is it-
not real. It's all fake. He's not going to be part of Avengers at all.
Oh, man.
Bro, he'll just come.
Maybe you never know. It's
Pathan आएगा bro Avengers. Chopper पे
Rais.
दारू का दुकान खोलेगा वो.
He just comes and does this.
Dingana.
He does this, and Thanos kills himself.
Thanos is like, I can't deal with so much aura.
But remember, he said once, "Ki I'll never do Hollywood. I'll never."
Why did he say that?
He said that once.
But that's the next thing, bro. He has to do it.
Yeah, what else
Why
is he
the-
gonna
what the
do
fuck?
now?
Why are you not doing this? I don't get it.
You're Shah Rukh Khan, bro.
No, I remember very specifically in an interview he says, "Ki I'll never. This is something I'll never do. I'll never do Hollywood stuff ever in my life."
I'm sure he's been offered.
तब से उसको ऑफर आ रहे हैं पर वो मना कर रहा है.
But-
He's like मेरे को इंडिया में करना है. I love Bollywood. That's all I'll do.
It makes sense because he's one of the few people from India in terms of stars or people in the entertainment industry who's taken the country overseas.
Global.
He's a big star in Germany. He's a big star in Europe. He's a big.
Everywhere, bro.
हाँ bro, उसने तो एक भी English picture.
Have you
नहीं
seen
किया.
that clip of Angelina Jolie in some award show or something? Angelina Jolie is there and Shah Rukh Khan is there. See if you can find it. मेरे को भेज दो WhatsApp में. So this, like, they call Shah Rukh Khan and he gets up and she knows the name Shah Rukh Khan. She probably didn't realize that he was there. So he gets up and starts going to the stage and like her eyes go like wide and she's like, is that him?
Yeah man.
Like,
Yeah.
it's such a hard clip.
Yeah, bro,
It's
that's
like
cool.
Angelina Jolie realizing Shah Rukh Khan is in the building.
Shah Rukh aura is uncomparable, bro. Incomparable.
He's-
I don't think there is anyone that has that.
Yeah.
You know, when he walks into a room, you just feel it. I mean, not like I've been in a room.
That's
with
what I was
him,
just
but
about
I've
to
watched him walk into rooms in videos. So
I think about it, bro. I feel like we'll talk to him someday. Like, I just feel it from within.
Hoping.
But
Yeah.
when that day comes, I don't know how I'll act, bro. Like,
I think we'll all just, at least I will just have a smile on my face the whole time. I'll just be like, fuck Shah Rukh. Yeah, Shah Rukh.
he'll feel shy.
Shah Rukh.
last time you felt like this was when Poonam had come.
I wasn't shy.
He was just dry.
No part of me was shy that day, sorry.
When did you get the most starstruck?
When have I gotten the most,
Yeah.
like in life?
No. Okay.
Then what do you?
I'm assuming it would have been on the pod only sometime.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe see them or.
You were the most starstruck.
Yeah.
Crazy. But you haven't been there for some of the big episodes.
But I wouldn't have gotten starstruck by Badshah or.
That was specific.
Because he's the biggest guy
unnecessary.
we've had, right? He's the biggest guest we've had.
To
Who's
some
bigger?
extent.
Who's bigger
To some
than
extent,
Badshah? Why are you laughing? I'm being honest.
The biggest guest we've had.
Yeah. Like
Numbers
numbers
Only
wise.
Badshah only,
Badshah is the
actually.
biggest,
Yeah.
yeah? That's why I'm saying. I have no beef with Badshah, dude. But Seedhe Maut is different. Seedhe Maut, there's. It's when you hear something and it inspires you to do something and then you have those people in front of you, that's a very big deal. And I made it clear that time only that I was ready to suck
we
any
were
of their
all-
dicks when they had come.
We were all thoda.
You know?
Who was yours?
Jeezy was thoda like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Puppy G is 100%.
We were sitting and
Yeah.
we were all kind of like through the episode. Like some episodes, it starts with nerves and it gradually becomes chill.
Correct. That one
That
was-
was just nerves the
Yeah.
whole time. Even Liv and Dom.
Liv and Dom was also.
Liv and Dom, I was like,
I think for Liv and Dom, it was more. I was very excited for the shoot, but it was more of a not knowing how they will gauge in how we speak, what our jokes are, I feel like that is what played
Yeah.
on our.
But
with our minds
people
more.
so I was very conscious about the episode because we were conscious throughout the episode. Because also managing between them being in character, like
Yeah.
responding to that, not asking them questions that will have to make them break character. Because after a point, we were also like helping them stay.
Yeah.
Because we realized कि थोड़ा off है, like they can't be whatever. So, but after it went out, a lot of people like spoke about it and they were like, fuck, they were so comfortable on this. So that was like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because they did a bunch of shit in India. They did a bunch of interviews and podcasts. And like the people watching from outside were like, this was my favorite thing they did in India. So,
Yeah.
That's big. Yeah. That's.
I saw the other stuff that they did.
He's like one sassy auntie, bro. I saw it.
Hey, if we think we are starstruck, then those other people, God knows what struck them, bro.
He's talking
No, I
about
know.
Sarabhai versus Sarabhai with that main ladies there, no?
I don't watch this.
she was like,
So Sarabhai, I have not watched.
You haven't watched? Bro.
Okay, it's okay, bro.
It's an iconic show.
Some people have not watched Tarak Mehta also.
Yeah, I've not. watched
that is
one
fine.
either. It's the same shit, bro. All of this.
No, bro.
It's the same shit.
Yeah.
You're getting hate comments on this.
100%.
But yeah.
some people haven't seen like Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na also. I find that very disturbing.
Yeah, it's
I've
a-
watched it. It's a nice movie.
Let me-
Iconic
let
film.
me-
You're going emo.
Some people haven't watched Spider-Man 3.
Like keep fiddling with your hands and all, like looking around.
तुमने दर्द पिक्चर देखी है क्या?
दर्द
दर्द
दर्द करके कोई पिक्चर नहीं है भाई.
होगी भाई.
Who released my
Have
love?
you guys
Life movie?
watched? Have you guys watched Twilight?
Twilight.
Have you
Yeah,
guys watched
yeah.
Twilight?
all movies.
All of them.
All of them.
Not all
I've watched only the first.
There's 3.
It's so sick, dude.
He looks like Edward.
Yeah, Edward Cullen.
Red black lipstick.
He look like.
He looks more like Toby.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, dude. There was one guy in my class like this. He had this hair like this. वो क्या hostel में था भाई वो बच्चा. Like our school had a hostel also where these kids would live like properly. So every morning he would take his hair. ऐसा he had grown the front part and he would put it on like his bed. ऐसा नीचे बैठ के बेड पर रखता था. उसके ऊपर एक bedsheet डाल के he would
Iron it?
He didn't have a
Oh, so to
straightener.
straighten his hair.
Yeah, ऐसा इस्त्री से.
That's
और ऐसा आता था वो
insane.
ऐसा.
DIY.
What a fucking character.
Yeah, bro. He was slightly retarded also.
Yeah, no shit. He's ironing his hair.
In
What do you-
college, he must have colored that one strand of hair like
I
golden
lost
or something.
touch, but maybe.
I lost
did
touch
he?
by force. I blocked him.
Bro, he was this crazy dude, bro. Like he.
Sounds like-
Amin school literally had the.
वो ऐसा class के बीच में one of those guys who would put eye drops. And you would be like, what the fuck is happening?
Yeah.
But you never questioned it because ठीक है होगा.
Eye drops is fine. ऐसे randomly class में आँख उल्टा कर देते हैं भाई बच्चे.
Oh, dude.
नहीं,
They
those
tap
are-
you and do that
those
shit,
are guys
bro.
who are entertainers. मतलब they're like, हाँ, I'll do something. This guy look
Entertainer.
लौड़े क्या कर रहा है?
This guy was low key. He would do his own thing. Like he'd come with his hair, like do it.
Did you ever have those kids who would eat their own shame board? That was disgusting, bro. This one kid used to sit, he'd do it, he'd like, and he'd put it in his mouth, bro. Like, what the fuck is wrong with
Bro,
you?
I was like more sly about it. It was a personal thing.
Bro,
No.
this kid would like literally put his finger, he'd stare and he'd go, what is I don't know. He'd like be proud of it. I swear, I'll even tell you his name.
To be fair,
if we
bro,
can blur it.
To be fair, it's just mucus, bro.
But that's disgusting.
But it's
Mucus
mucus
is
that's come out
everywhere.
of you.
Once one guy.
तेरे पेट में भी mucus है.
अरे, but it's in there, ना?
नहीं,
But why would you eat it in an appetizing manner?
Yeah, like why
Why
did he
would you
stare at
do
it? For?
hey and eat it?
I know, man. Some
He
people.
was like a reward for him.
Yeah, but you were in one
some people
boys' school.
suck
bro.
cock, bro. Would you
You
ever?
think some people like see that? Hey,
Would you rather suck cock or eat your own shame board? It's a clear answer.
I'm never doing would you rather ever in my life. I'm done. I would rather not.
Would you rather shit a watermelon or pee a grape? As a man.
Get Ali back. I just want Ali back.
No, but it's such a good question.
Yeah, it's good.
If Ali was here,
question.
if Ali was here, he'd be like,
So peeing a...
personally, I would think about the morals of that person. And I would think, why would someone be in that situation?
What would make someone think something like that?
Perhaps.
कैसे मादरचोद लोग हैं?
But if it's in a purely hypothetical manner, I would have to go with the grape.
Such assholes are that.
At least we have an asshole.
I'm not shitting out watermelons.
Oh man.
I don't think you can shit out of water. You've seen
it's
those
too big.
videos where they put like rubber band
Yeah,
across
yeah,
the
and
watermelon.
then
Yeah,
explode.
फट जाता है.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So that would be your asshole with the watermelon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Fuck, that's crazy though.
I'm a visual thinker, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm a visual thinker, man.
He should go like this. See.
Oh, man.
Think of-
Method actor.
Yeah.
दारू पीता है भाई वो।
बस हो गया.
नहीं, एक और पीता है भाई.
this is
Last
my-
drink and we'll bounce.
This is my first drink.
नहीं, how come?
I didn't refill only.
So let's go for it.
Yeah, fucking pussy.
That's why I'm asking
You've
intellectual
lost the plot,
questions.
bro, I feel.
Bas.
You're
It's
losing.
just, it's just dramatic.
हाँ, okay.
अच्छा अच्छा. What does it say on that? 1800.
It's not a sponsored episode.
It might as well be. We should ask them for money.
Yeah.
It's a cool bottle though.
सोडा है क्या भाई?
ये पशा सोडा था ना इधर किधर तो. Half water, half soda.
Something's fallen. It
I
is
will
not.
in 5 minutes. Off the chair.
दारू शारू बोतल दो,
ये
विस्की
checker है
का
क्या?
पैग
ऐसा
लगा
गांड।
के
It
सारी
move
दुनिया
करेगा।
उधर दो. Party all night. Party all night. Party all night.
ये गाना वापस
Wait,
काफी इस पे आ रहा है ना
Party
रील्स पे.
all night.
तुमने वो रील्स पे उसको देखा है क्या? That new fucking
guy?
gangster guy, bro. Whoever that. Yeah. Who the fuck is that?
Mood type shit.
Hey man, there's one.
He got arrested now.
He got arrested for being a rapist.
Who would have thought?
जेल चले जाओ.
You was visually thinking.
Hey, I'm thinking, should he be punished for that video?
They call him Pookie
Or should he be
Gangster.
punished for a crime like that? दोनों के लिए जेल में भेजो भाई.
Pookie Gangster. That's okay.
Real estate, what?
Okay.
Oh, अच्छा ठीक.
Real estate gunda, bro. Fuck, bro. You were in real estate 2 years ago.
Yeah.
That could have been you.
No, it couldn't have been.
We'll put a red tick on you today.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up.
Fuck her up.
It's so wild. He's been flashing a gun in a holder.
That's not the only thing he was flashing.
I
He
haven't
wasn't
seen
just-
that many.
He wasn't just flashing it.
But how do you
It
get
didn't
away
come
with
in
that?
your horse website or what?
He'll also come.
ठीक है, bro. To each their own.
What to each their own, bro? He's flashing a gun.
I
how
haven't
do you
seen
get-
the gun.
How
I'm
do-
sure
how do you
the
get away
I'm
with
sure the law will take care of him.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
I mean,
they
they're
do.
doing that. They're doing that.
They do that
चल रहा है ना
They do,
कहीं
bro.
पे.
Yeah.
As
Either
soon
way,
as,
it's
like, they're-
everywhere.
They're done with like the real problems.
Yeah.
This.
Once they take down the real-
YouTube.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, they take down all the best shows on YouTube. This guy's up.
Yeah.
After
this guy's
that.
the target.
Yeah.
I like how our show will keep living on.
Hopefully. Well, what's the game plan, boys? Like the day we get cancelled, what's the game plan?
We'll just do whatever
Real
we're
estate.
doing, bro.
We all do this.
Might as well become gundas, bro. After that, 'cause they
Huh,
seem
after
to be,
that, we'll fully lose the plot.
चलेगा,
We'll just-
चलेगा. I'll
Who'll
be
make
down.
the Who'll make the best gunda amongst the
No,
four
it's
of
a
us?
no-brainer.
I think it would be.
Stewie.
But Stewie does have a very cunning way of getting his way. No?
he's manipulative.
What?
bastard,
Very
bro.
manipulative.
Yeah.
What
He's
nonsense?
a conniving son of a bitch. is what I-
Excuse me, conniving. He doesn't even put the lights off. He doesn't put the fans on. He won't, everything is done for him. I think there's skill here. I don't know how he gets it done, but
No, bro, you have a way, bro.
you want take na.
He fell for it again. No, bro. The fact that you're here right now after all this time, that also shows.
कुछ तो है भाई तू.
Fair.
There's something about you. Not that you have a good haircut or anything, but there's something.
Why is my hair?
Can you tell us what you told the barber?
चोद दे बाल मेरे.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up.
I want the I'm not getting late tonight, please. Can you give me the I can't say that. I can't say that word.
What is the word? अरे बोल ना, we'll censor it.
तूने क्या फोटो दिखाया उसको?
I didn't show him any.
मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए. Hey, bleep this.
I'll bleep your bleep.
Yeah, just bleep that. Hey, bleep this up, beep.
Hey, beep this.
Fuck her up.
I basically told him to cut the sides and leave the top. He's like, हाँ ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा ही trim कर दूंगा. And then when he had trimmed it a little, he got onto a
What
cord.
did he use, a lawnmower?
And then he just kept cutting it, bro. And I didn't have the heart to tell him to stop.
Usually, it's difficult for people to tell the
How
barber.
do you tell him to stop?
Bro, ऐसा होता है कभी-कभी.
It really happens,
I
bro.
recently got
How
a
do you tell
massage.
him to stop?
Thank God he wasn't sexually harassing you.
Bro, I recently got a massage. And like, that guy spent too much time on my butt, bro.
What?
But I didn't want to ruin his like flow. I was like, this is his method of doing
He
it.
was on the. I'll tell you what he was doing.
Maybe he got sexually.
No, usually I'll tell you, if you get
Ruin his flow.
if you get massages, they give you that disposable underwear, and it's an understanding
do.
that is that area which is covered by the disposable.
You should not get in there.
हाँ, but ऐसा वो नीचे खींच के अगर ऐसा दबा
He spent a little too much time on the gluteus maximus.
He tore that underwear. I could see a boundary now.
How do they take your underwear off?
They
they don't take
your
it
underwear.
off. It's not an underwear.
They take your underwear off.
Like slowly, or is he
No,
like?
no.
Wait, they give it so that
You wear the diaper. You wear the diaper.
हाँ,
they
तो वो
don't
ऐसा
take it off. They
वो
don't
ऐसा
tear it,
side
they
में
don't do
रखेगा.
anything.
Like if he's but massaging your right cheek, he'll pull that thing down thoda.
Little bit.
And
like
then he'll
maybe
put
1
that
inch.
up and pull the other one down.
Yeah. Like it's a little.
The thing is, there are muscles here that need to be massaged.
No, I'm sure.
100%.
I am
100%.
But it's like when he's doing it and then ठीक है, you have a duration. It's like now he's done. Now he'll move on. Now he'll move on.
Yeah. It's usually 2 to 3 minutes on one cheek.
But to be
What is wrong with these two
that's
guys?
a bit
3 minutes per
that's
cheek.
a bit long.
That's long? Have I been getting molested in this?
But to be fair, I usually get the 60-minute. This time I got the 90-minute. I was traveling. I was tired, so I wanted.
I always get the 90.
Some special.
So everything was like a bit longer.
हाँ, तो वैसा ही होता है.
So, but that's the thing. Like at that point, then in my head, I start thinking, ki, fuck, like he's doing this and he's doing his job. Like I'm not doubting him in any way, but he's doing it. I'm like, fuck. What if at any point during this I get like slightly turned on? Then
you have problems.
Then I'm nervous. Then I'm like, fuck, I can't get turned on.
And
Not
then,
that-
you,
And then you get a boner out of the
of
nervousness.
nervousness, yeah.
And then he's like, sir, can you flip? And then I'm like, no, I can't actually. Like keep massaging my ass, I guess. I don't know.
That's why it's got elongated. The ass massaging.
I would just
segment.
refuse to flip.
Like, but it's a scary 5 minutes.
I have
That's
to-
the
And
thing.
these guys are like
Jacked,
built,
you know?
jacked, bro.
Yeah.
Usually,
And
like
still
their
getting
arms are. No, it's just like fuck. Now at this point, if I resist, then something might happen.
He'll come.
Nice.
No, but it's.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I have to pay my
you need to
respect
get
to
one.
the both of you all, man. I could never get that done.
How can you pay your respect, bro? That's so
Because
stupid.
it's a big deal.
They're getting their assholes fondled by some
They are so
random
comfortable
man.
with their sexuality.
Assholes fondled.
They are so.
What else is this?
We don't mind a man touching us for 90 minutes
Sweet.
straight, and it feels amazing.
Yeah.
No
that's,
homo.
That's straight.
They are so comfortable with their sexuality that they can get a massage done, and you know, they can do. They can
Eat a lemon.
but that's
Imagine he's
something.
sucking a lemon and the dude is pressing his ass.
Anything you think.
Stewie's imagination is just fucking.
Yeah, it's fucked up. Still. After checking.
Yeah.
Third umpire.
He's an umpire. Yeah.
I'm like Charles Xavier.
What is
There's a
Stewie
Akshay
thinking
Kumar
about?
movie also in which he does like that, and then he can rewind situations and shit.
We don't watch Akshay
Action
Kumar
replay.
movies.
Hey,
Action replay. Hey, Akshay Kumar is
Akshay
good.
Kumar is a
I don't
fucking
like him.
legend. dude.
Why?
I don't like him.
Why do you not like him?
He does 10 movies a year. They're all bad.
Yeah, that's true.
Arey, but one of them is good, na?
Who?
Nahi bro, he's like a PR bitch. I don't
Not
like
this
him.
year.
He is
10 years ago.
PR
किया है उसने
नहीं
काफी
bro.
पर भाई अभी लोग
प्यार
जिनको
किसने नहीं किया है भाई?
हाँ वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ
नहीं, I've drank, I'm being honest.
be honest bro, it's fine.
Nahi, they did na abhi some movie Kesari 2 or something. It's about like
Oh, yeah,
Jallianwala
yeah.
Bagh and
Ah,
they've gone and
General
done
Dyer.
like a photo shoot at the Jallianwala Bagh to promote the film. I was like, bro, like, this is just like what
They did a photo shoot?
Yeah, they did like a whole PR thing at the thing. वहाँ पे interview किया ये किया. I was like, bro, like what level of scum do you have to be to do this to promote a shitty film, not even a good film? I was like, bhai, like this is so dirty, bro. Like if it can hurt me as someone who's not even from here, like we studied that in school. That incident is fucking dark, bro.
Yeah.
Like it's like one of the worst things that happened in our recent history.
Yeah.
Like from recorded history in
Facts.
India. ठीक है, you've made a film about it. It's fine. But like I would like to know if have you ever visited before? Is this the first time you're visiting to do this PR press run? That's fucked up. Like that's not okay.
Yeah.
Like if you haven't, then put it out ki this is a place that I've visited quite a few times and that's why it's close to my heart. That's why I picked this project. At least lie to me.
Who's made the movie?
I don't know.
It's a Karan Johar movie.
No, I don't think so.
I've heard what reviews I've gotten from the film have been that it was a decent movie. But
Even if it is a good movie, you don't go and
yeah,
promote it
I don't
on
think
the
they
ground
allowed
place.
us to take pictures there. That's why when you said photo shoot, I was like, what?
Or another thing which is like separate from this, within the same movie, there's like a few lines that this poet and writer named Yaya Bhupala, there is a video of him performing that at the Habitat.
Okay.
And it's something he's written about Jallianwala Bagh, and he's done it. And उसमें से lines लेके movie में use किया है, bro.
Damn.
So
Without
they've
giving
plagiarized.
credit.
Plagiarism.
Classic Bollywood.
हाँ, तो then sure like bro.
Bollywood, when are you going to make your own movies or your own music?
They do, but they do.
They do very rarely. Most things I was just watching. I was on Instagram doing this one, and Garam Masala is fully copied from some old movie.
Yeah.
Scene to scene, it's been copied.
But it was a good movie.
It was a good movie, but now that I know it's copied, I don't like it anymore. You know, and the list just goes on. Pehli Nazar mein sung by Atif Aslam. That is a Korean song.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yeah.
But to be fair,
Everything
they
is
also copy Hindi songs.
They also copy,
Oh, yeah,
but
that Jenny.
No, but-
Jenny is an absolute rip-off.
no, Jenny is not a rip-off
Jenny
of
is a
Rocky and
rip-off.
Rani ka.
What's
It's
Jenny?
very similar. That's all.
It's
not the
exact same.
No, it's not. No,
भाई अपन ना अपना मूवी बनाते हैं bro.
Yeah, we should
Like,
make
let's-
our-
At least
we-
we'll
I've
take a
had
page from
4
the
drinks,
Super
I've
Boys.
had-
You know what?
Of Malaga and
you know
we'll
what
make
will
our
be
own
cool
movie.
about our movie? Even if it's the worst movie in the world, no?
It's original. Yeah.
Cheers to that, bro.
Yeah, let's
Let's call it.
Let's
a day.
actually do it. At some point,
We'll make a movie.
100%.
100%. Yeah.
This
We
is
have-
like boys after 3 drinks. We'll make a movie.
नहीं,
अपन
but-
अपना कंपनी शुरू करेंगे. This is the equivalent.
वो तो किया अपन.
Production house.
But yeah, we got.
No, but this pisses me off, man.
See, we have original music. We have a musician with us. We have.
Original Irani boy.
Original white character.
We have a villain.
Yeah. Stewie would have to be the villain.
You'll have
That's
to keep the
Shivaji,
haircut.
bro.
Yeah,
What do you
so?
do? So he's the good guy.
Oh, I
The
thought he's
hero.
the bad in this
Nah.
guy.
That's so uncultured.
Shivaji
bro.
the boss.
Either way.
I hope that's an original man.
What?
Shivaji the boss.
It might be. Rajnikant usually is. No?
He
He's
knows.
like
Prashant is like our resident expert in
In South
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 films.
Indian
Yeah.
movie industry. But yeah, bro. Cheers to that. This today, abhi thoda late ho raha hai, so we'll cut this short. We are going to watch wrestling, pro wrestling.
Damn.
Live.
Yeah.
Dude, you don't know how excited I am.
Bro,
that
it's
we're
gonna be
actually
crazy.
It's gonna be so fun.
Bro, what a life.
What a life.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to the life,
One
bro.
more.
Yeah,
Let's go,
bakchodi
let's go.
karke we're going to watch pro wrestling.
Yeah. Oh man.
Love it.
Help me finish this.
No. Be a man. Be a man.
Drop a like on this video.
Like,
I think it does something. Honestly, after 4 years, 5 years of YouTube, I think liking does something. So I'm gonna ask.
होता है algo.
Like कर दो, bro. और subscribe भी कर दो if you haven't.
If you like it, I'll finish this
Yeah.
right now.
Give them like
Why don't you finish
3
it
seconds.
So...
I'll give them 3 seconds.
हाँ. कर दो भाई, कर दो. 3,
I'm waiting.
2, 1. I think they did it. Yeah.
the vision.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow, first time I'm seeing you go
I have
chug a
never
drink
seen
in like
Yugo chug.
5 years.
He spatted back out, bro. Good. Let's go, guys. For this, though, you'll have to only subscribe.
Like,
Yugo doesn't
subscribe.
spit.
Look at that. Look at that.
Like, subscribe, share. Good night. See you. Bye bye.
Oh, let's go भाई. मजा आ गया.